Hi, I'm Gregory Paolini, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to round over and ease edges on the router table. So stick around. Hard 90-degree edges on a piece of wood are sharp. They're not pleasant to touch. They can even cut you. You'll want to ease those edges before they make their way into your furniture piece. Now you could sand these edges or take a hand plane to them, but if you've got a lot of edges to round over, the router table is the tool of choice. Let me show you how to set it up. Alright, I've got the router unplugged, and the first thing I want to do is install my 1/8" radius roundover bit. Now it's critical that the edge of the radius is even with the table. So again, I'm going to spend a little bit of time to get this set up just right. And we're just clearing. So that's the height I want. Now I want to make sure that the fence is even with the bearing of the bit. There we go. Lock that in place. And then for safety, I'm going to move the fence in a little bit to reduce some of the gap in between the fence and the bit. There we go. We still clear. We're in good shape. Lock that down. All right. Now, I want to adjust the height of my feather board, so that gives me a little downward pressure, and then this other feather board to keep the piece up against the fence. I'm ready to cut. Now it's safe to plug things back in. Now I'm just going to hook up some dust extraction. Definitely want safety glasses, and especially with a router that's really loud, hearing protection is a must. Okay, now we're ready to go. After a couple quick passes on the router table, the edges are pleasing to touch. And that's it. It's that simple. Be sure to join me again for more tips and techniques on the router table.